Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I figured I would do an update in my skincare routine. This video is super long overdue and I'm so happy to do it for you today. So first I'm going to go in with my face wash, and this is an oil-free acne wash. And next I'm going to be using my face scrubber. I'm not really sure what these are called, but I did pick mine up from Family Dollar. And first thing that I did when it came to putting this on my face, I like to wet my face before I put any kind of facial wash on it, any kind of mask. It's always good for you to wet your face because I feel like it opens up your pores and it allows the cleaner to get into the pores where all that dirt is actually laying at. Next for my face, I'm going to be using the Deep Cleansing Skin Cream, and this is actually an Noxzema, but I went and got the store brand, so don't tell anyone. Shh. But anyway, I like putting this on my face because I feel like it just goes deep inside of my pores and cleans my pores like nobody's business. I do recommend this, especially if you have dry skin like me. Like, I really do need it, so I do recommend this, so go pick it up. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. I am super obsessed with this. It is for people like me, dry skin team. I literally have dry skin. Like, if I do not put any kind of moisturizer on my face just feels like it's cracking. Like, I need moisturizer, but I really do love this, and I went and got the small bottle just because I didn't want to buy a big bottle and I didn't like it, and I would have to return it, and I didn't want to do that. So I really do recommend this. Like I said, it's really perfect for people that have really dry skin. And that is it for this video, you guys. Please stay tuned after the video for bloopers, and I love you guys. Bye.